How to win a woman's heart. Winning women's hearts with 20 tricks. 6. To win a woman's heart, make her feel special. Once you learn how to make a girl feel special, you are halfway to making her fall in love with you. Again, you don't have to be the richest person on earth to make a lady feel special. Do whatever you can for him. For example, the next time you go shopping, help him bring some groceries home. Has he had a stressful day at work? Well, then go to him with a plate full of his favorite foods. 7. To win a woman's heart, treat her as you treat others. Since the world is evolving towards a new era, gender equality, then it is necessary to remember that women should be treated like everyone else. Respect is one of the things that makes a girl fall in love with you. When you respect him, he will feel safe in the space you have created and in your presence, and over time, he will open his heart to you. 8. To win a woman's heart, touch her where needed. Physical touch is an important part of any evolving relationship. Research has proven that strategic touch increases affection in adult romantic relationships. To attract a girl, learn how, when and where to touch her. When you're deep in conversation, you can indirectly touch a few strands of her hair behind her ear, or, when the situation is right, place your palm on the small of her back. Again, physical touch doesn't always have to be sexual. 9. To win a woman's heart, do something to stay in her mind. Play a role. Know that when he has drawn your attention to himself, then undoubtedly he has drawn the attention of other people to himself at the same time. One of the simple ways to make him fall in love with you is to make sure that you are in his mind. To achieve this goal, contact him from time to time. You can achieve this by sending him occasional messages, following him on social media, or even calling him. Always make sure not to be too pushy when doing these things. 10. To win a woman's heart, be confident. There is always the possibility that you will stutter your words in the first conversation with him. When you walk up to him, you need to make sure that over time you start communicating with enough confidence. Everyone, especially women, like confident people. Make sure your demeanor and confidence are not misconstrued as arrogance. 11. To win a woman's heart, respect others when you are with her. When trying to attract a girl, be respectful. If he realizes that you treat others like garbage, he may start to ignore you or may even think of you as a two-faced person. Respect should be a common practice for you. 12. To win a woman's heart, give her the gifts she likes, prefers. To achieve this, you need to research the things he likes. Once you know what he likes, that's when you can give him the right gifts. For example, if he needs a new pair of work shoes and you give him a bouquet of flowers, he will naturally not be excited, so be careful. 13. To win a woman's heart, ask her to do things for you. This can be considered a wise move if you have already approached him. One of the main keys to winning a woman's heart is to make her feel important to you. When you ask him to do things for you, he feels important. Make sure you ask him for what he can handle. Don't get used to this, because this move can be considered a big change for women. 14. To win a woman's heart, take action. Make a gift for him. There is a big difference between gifts you buy and gifts you make. The ones you make may not be as perfect as the ones you can buy in the market, but you will prove to him that he is worth your time and efforts. That's what you want him to believe, isn't it? 15. To win a woman's heart, send her handwritten letters. You can easily pick up your phone and leave him a voice message on social media. But on the other hand, handwritten letters are a way to send your messages to her home, especially if you have beautiful handwriting. Use this opportunity to write to him about your feelings and encourage him to write too. 16. To win a woman's heart, make the moments as memorable as possible. Taking her to a place she likes, eating at her favorite restaurant, or even getting a memorable gift for her every once in a while can have a positive effect on her falling in love. 17. To win a woman's heart, use women's like-mindedness and advice on important issues in your life. Women like to feel that their opinions matter. By asking him for advice, you convey this feeling to him. Try this. Before you fire an annoying employee or move to a new apartment, talk to them about it and ask for their advice. 18. To win a woman's heart, have a great sense of humor. Your sense of humor shows that you have taught yourself how to have fun. Being serious and purposeful is essential, but also consider that women want to be with someone who also understands the value of having fun. If you want my opinion, then spend some time cultivating your sense of humor. 19. To win a woman's heart, take her to your favorite places. Showing the things that are important to you is also a great way to find out how to win a woman's heart. You can invite him to a date in your favorite restaurant or even cook your favorite food for him. 20. To win a woman's heart, be honest with her. Women always appreciate people who tell them the truth and are honest. This includes being honest about your feelings. Do you like him? Do you want to have a relationship with him? So choose the right time for an honest conversation and let him know what's on your mind. That way he can give you his answer and then both of you can move in the best and most beneficial direction. I love you all.